Hey guys, it's Jolene here from the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Jolene. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I sell modern farmhouse home decor, a lot of which I make right here in my basement. And then I have a print-on-demand factor to my business as well, where I put textile designs onto products that I don't produce. The customer orders them and they get shipped out of the door and direct to the customer. So recently I got asked by somebody who is just starting out, like the bare minimums, just starting out. They wanted to know what my best business plan would be for tools to use to get their small business started. So I said to them, it's pretty easy. I can break it down for you really simply. So this is my business. I'll just show it off here really quickly. I'm not, like a huge enterprise or anything like that. Maybe one day. But for right now, I make modern farmhouse home decor and I sell it. That's what I do. Okay, so the first thing I would say is to get Shopify. And I'm an affiliate for all three of these companies. Okay, so I would get Shopify. I would start out with their plan that is 3 days for free. And then it's $1 for your first month. So start for free, then enjoy $1 for your first month. And I would just sign up for the plan. I would start going through the process of adding my products, adding my logos, adding my pricing, making sure all my products have alt text, all those kinds of fun things to get my products listed onto their platform. The most popular plan is going to be after you have your 1 month free. It's not actually free though, right? So it start for free. You get 3 days for free. That's it. Then you have your first month is $1. So we want to make sure we've set it right here so nobody comes back at me. And then after that, it's $38 a month Canadian for your first month. And you're going to have card rates and everything on here. So choose the plan that works for you. You're going to have $99 a month for your first month if you've got teams. And you can have, it just goes up. Like plus is $2,300 US a month. So I'm just on the basic plan. That it totally works for me. So $38 a month Canadian, that's like $25 or something like that American. It's pretty inexpensive. I'll have a link here in the video description for you. So just get started with Shopify. Now, the second thing that you're going to need to promote your products is you don't have to have these things, right? But I'm just telling you what I do. I have Tailwind. So what Tailwind does is it pulls products in from your Shopify store based on your URL, and then it allows you to design pins for Pinterest, have Facebook posts, have Instagram posts all scheduled out. You can use their AI writing technology to write your Shopify product descriptions. I'm even going to use their AI technology to write the video description, which you will see in the video. So if you're going to read the video description to get the links for all this stuff, read the video description. That's actually going to be wrote by Tailwind. And then essentially you can write blogs. You can do ad copy in there. You can write Shopify product descriptions, Etsy product descriptions, YouTube video descriptions. The list just goes on and on for what you can do with their technology. So Tailwind has some features that you can have for free. And then I use the advanced plan, which gives me 1,000 posts across Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook per month. So that's $24.99. It just depends on what you guys need for, to start out with. If you just need a free plan to start out with, it's over here on the right-hand side. Get started for free. You've got 10 ghostwriter credits, 20 posts per month against Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, 1 Pinterest account, 20 post designs, all the things that you would need to start your business. You can start for free with Tailwind, totally free. So the only cost you've had so far is your Shopify monthly costs. If you're not willing to spend, $38 Canadian on building your business, you're not going to have a business, honestly. So you have to start somewhere. I recommend starting with the best tools. Now, once you've got your business set up, one of the most important things that you can do for your business right out the get-go is to have a separate business bank account, a separate business credit card, and then I highly recommend integrating your shop with Quickbooks. So Quickbooks integrates with Shopify. It's just a couple of clicks, literally, and you will have your Quickbooks integrated with Shopify. I use QuickBooks Online. That way the information goes straight to my bookkeeper, who I also pay for. She is a godsend. I'm selling enough stuff that I'm GST registered because I live in Canada, so I'm tax registered, which means that I have to do reporting and all that kind of stuff for the government. I absolutely cannot do what she does in the time that she does it for me, for the price that she charges me to do it. So it's absolutely insane. She's completely affordable. I love her forever. And then we use QuickBooks Online, so everything's straight. Now, when I first hired her, we didn't have QuickBooks Online. We had QuickBooks manually, and we were entering everything manually. And I'm telling you, it was a nightmare. Okay, so here's the thing about QuickBooks. For the next 4 days, I think it was like 4 days and 10 hours when I first started recording this video. They have like a countdown. Oh yeah, here it is. 4 days, 9 hours, 51 minutes at the time I'm recording the video. By the time I get it up onto YouTube, this timer is going to have counted down. So you can get 75% off QuickBooks. 75% off. I mean, even if you didn't have anything set up yet, if you were getting 75% off QuickBooks, get it today, because today it's, for the Easy Start plan, is $6 a month, which is essentially all you need if you're just starting your business off. So say you didn't have your products listed and you needed it, you know, you're going to be like 30 days out. You're still going to only have to pay $6 a month for your first 6 months on the basic plan. Now you can go up, to, you know, like to really advanced plans here to up to $32 a month, which is actually on sale for 80% off for your first 6 months. That's crazy. The Easy Start plan is 75% off for your first 6 months. So those are the 3 tools, people, that I would use if I was just starting my business out. Like, never mind the products, all that kind of stuff. You need a platform to sell it on. You need a place to advertise it, and you need to keep your money in order. Those 3 things are very important when you have a small business. Do it the easy way. Start with the professional tools. The links are going to be in the video description. I'm an affiliate for all of these, so that's a great way to support the channel. If you like these videos and want to learn more, please hit the subscribe button and the bell button. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.